And again, for more complicated problems, we're first going to isolate that absolute value, and then we're going to solve these just using the rules we've already looked at. So why don't we subtract 10 from both sides to get 2 times the absolute value of 2x minus 3 is greater than 2. Now we'll divide both sides of this inequality by 2. Since we're dividing by a positive 2, we don't have to worry about switching directions of the inequality. So this becomes absolute value of 2x minus 3 is greater than 1. Now that we have the absolute value isolated, we can go ahead and apply our rule that says 2x minus 3 is going to be greater than 1, or 2x minus 3 is going to be less than negative 1. That was the direct interpretation of the rule for absolute value greater than c. And now we'll solve these just as we would normal inequalities. So let's add 3 to both sides. So 2x is greater than 4. Divide by 2. We get x greater than 2. Now for the right one, we add 3 to both sides. We get 2x is less than positive 2. Divide by 2. X is less than 1. So it looks like x has to be greater than 2, or x is less than 1. So putting those together, if x is less than 1, that's all values smaller than 1 up to but not quite including it. So we would write that as negative infinity up to negative 1 round bracket. And then x greater than 2 will be starting at just bigger than 2 and up to infinity. And we connect those with a union.